Babe, manguo zote ni chafu kwa hii nyumba na hii ndo nilikuwa nataka kuvaa. Na hii unajua ndo my favorite. Unamuongelesha na kazi kuja kwa laptop. Hii nyumba naona ndama. Babe, hata socks zenyewe sipati kwa hii nyumba. Hii player sasa imeenda wapi? Masocks zimeenda wapi kwa hii nyumba?
I told you I'm busy. I'm on a Zoom call with a client. Can't you just sort yourself up?
Zoom call manade. Kwanza asubuhi Zoom call. Sasa who will take care of my needs kwa hii nyumba kama uko kwa Zoom call?
You sort yourself.
From today on peo ujisort na busy hizi nyumba. Zoom manade. Kwa nyumba ni kushinda kwa laptop. Huyo mzungu na chat na yeye enda na yeye Amerika. Hivi. Kuna hapa di online writing, online sijui chatting, Zoom meeting.
Babe, why are you like that?
Don't babe me, baby yo mzungu na chat na yeye. Si kazi unashindianga hapo online.
But I told you what I'm doing.
What are you doing?
Come, I explain to you. Please don't be like that.
Today explain to me that.
Yeah.
I want you to explain in diagrams. Kazi unashindaga hapa online.
My darling, relax. Okay, now what I do, like I told you last time, I have started doing online writing. But then I even told you I have a YouTube channel where I teach people how to write.
What is the name of your YouTube channel?
How to do online writing. The name of my YouTube channel is Just Sophia. Just go to YouTube and type Just Sophia. You'll get my YouTube channel. Well, anyway, now that you're here, I can still explain to you what online writing is. So we write content for online businesses. Now you can go to different websites like Upwork.com or Fiverr.com or Freelancer.com. Look for clients there, and the best thing about this is that you can get clients all over the world, international clients within the country or wherever you want. Like, it opens opportunities for everyone in the world. So you simply go there, you create your profile, and then you start bidding for those jobs, and then you get a client and start working.
Okay.
But then you should try it instead of always going. Yeah, of course it pays. It pays people's bills. Where do you think I got the 50,000 that I gave you last week?
The 50,000 you gave me ilitoka hapo online?
Yes.
Pesa chanuka?
Exactly.
So I should quit my job or do all this online writing together?
Yeah, you can.
What do I need? What do I need?
Now that I don't want you in the house all the time. Maybe
kama ni maneno ya pesa ya online writing tutakaa hapa sisi wote. What do I need to join this thing? How do I start?
You don't need anything. You just need a laptop like this one.
Yes.
A good internet, and that's it.
So Wi-Fi iko hapa.
Yeah, Wi-Fi iko.
600 Mbps.
Exactly.
So wacha nilete laptop tuanze hii kazi. In fact, let me tell my employees they are wanioni kazi leo.
In fact,
Donge.
quit with a madharau.
Donge.
Yes.
I can beat even the boss.
Exactly.